Love skiing and want to track every run with precision? The Garmin Ski and Snowboard Activity Mode helps you monitor key metrics, making your snow adventures even more exciting. Let's take a look at how to get started with this feature. If your Garmin watch supports ski maps, it is recommended to update your ski resort maps using Garmin Express. This ensures you have the latest ski trails and lift information before heading out. Press the upper right button to open the activity menu. Scroll down to find the Ski Activity Mode and press the confirmation button. If you do not see this mode, go to More, and then you will find it in the Winter Sports list. On the main ski activity page, scroll down to Activity Options and then select Runs. Here, you can enable AutoRun detection. This feature automatically tracks your skiing and lift rides, so you don't have to manually pause or resume activity recording. When you take a ski lift, your watch will log the lift time instead of pausing the activity, allowing for a more complete analysis of your rest time and recovery heart rate. Once your settings are confirmed, press the upper right button to start recording your ski session. Your Garmin watch can record various skiing data, and you can adjust the data fields in the activity settings to suit your needs. You can easily customize the display to your preference. If your Garmin watch supports ski maps, you can access built-in ski resort maps, including ski trail and lift information. This feature allows you to navigate slopes more effectively. After finishing your ski session, press the upper right button and select Save to store your activity data. Sync your watch with Garmin Connect to review detailed analytics. On Garmin Connect Mobile, you can also check lift time, which logs the duration of each ski lift ride. This helps analyze the balance between skiing and rest time, allowing you to optimize your skiing rhythm. Thank you for watching. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.